Big up on yourself, people. Massive, massive respect. Just want to give the youngsters them a big shout out. The Reggae Boyz, the U15 team. I want to give them a massive, massive shout out. And a job well done on the Concacaf U15 championship. A really, really good job they have done. And I have to say that you have to give them credit, because if they hadn't done well, the sticks and forks would be out for many aspects. I think the JFF, where the academies are concerned in Jamaica, especially the National Academy, I think it has been a brilliant initiative so far where the National Academy is concerned. Also, I have to give credit to all the other academies in Jamaica, like KFA, who have quite a few players on that setup. So it's a really, really good look for the future of Jamaica. It's not perfect, but it's a stepping stone. It's one in which we can look upon and appreciate that something, at least there's positivity, there's something positive coming from what we're seeing. Now they defeated Puerto Rico 2-0 in the final. We've played a total of, let me just check, about 5 games. 5 games, scoring 15 goals. I think that's 15. Only conceding 2, and that 2 was against none other than Trinidad and Tobago. But we still smashed them 6 goals to 2. It was a good game versus Curacao. And positives, I have to say that I enjoyed all the players they played. They play with freedom, they enjoy themselves when they play. I have yet to see through the entire games none of the teams have dominated us. None whatsoever. I think even the Curacao game, just winning 1-0, they were very, very fortunate. Just like the Belize game, we won that game 2-0, and Belize was really, really fortunate. The amount of chances, yes, Curacao got chances, but not in comparison to the amount that we got. Stand-up players, should I do that? Sims, Ramesh, Sims, Hussey, Clark. The goalkeeper was brilliant. So, you know what? Kelvin Brown, Kenrick Brown, Morris. I think I have to give. I don't know the journalists. I have to just give credit to all the players who played, and a job well done. They look really, really good. Overall, controlling tempo, controlling the game. The players look like they know what to do. It's clear. Big credit to Andrew Peart and his coaching staff. Huge credit to Andrew Peart and his coaching staff. And a job well done so far. Yes, next time we're looking to participate in League A. We have no one League B, so we're looking to participate in the League A next time around and showcase what we can do. It will be tougher because the likes of Mexico, USA, and these teams are in it, but obviously we are above, or we are far better than League B. So I think that we are most definitely ready for League A. This is the base, this is the template, this is what we should work off of, this is what we should build on going forward, and it's a good look. Anyways, big up on yourself, youngsters. Great job, well done, massive respect. Pat to the self on the back for the job you guys have done. Big up yourself, Andrew Peart and his coaching staff in preparing these boys for the competition. Big up on yourself to all the academies, the KFA, the Ballers, the TFA, all of the academies who participate in developing these gems. Narbrook Strikers as well. All of them, big up on yourself. Massive respect for the job that you guys would have done. Also the clubs where they participating with, the Real Mona, the Cavalier, where else? So there's quite a lot of them. So the development is going on, and it's a good look, and we want it to continue like that. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV Road. God bless. Outside. Boom.
Congratulations to our U15 Concacaf U15 championship winners.